Hey everyone, I have another haul video. I know you're all thinking, what in the world is she doing? She doesn't need to be buying, she needs to be destashing. But I have good reasons for what I bought. Okay, this is a yard by 43 inches of frozen tube fabric. Oh, and I got this from MayKDealz reseller here on YouTube. And I put her link in the description box. And then, you're not going to believe this, I got Peppa Pig. A yard by 43 inches of Peppa Pig. Come on now, you know Peppa Pig. And then I got a yard of, 2 yards of Gwen Studios. And this says it makes 1 tunic. But it's a pretty good deal here. I mean, it's summer fabric tela, whatever that means. The instructions are included if you wanted to make a tunic. I don't particularly want to. I wanted the fabric for summer journals, which I just think is adorable. So I got that, and that's 2 yards. And then I got, I believe she said this was a yard of Spider-Man. Not Spider-Man. What are these? You know, who are these guys? I don't know. Got boys in the house and don't know. Oh my gosh. The Avengers? I don't know. I don't remember who they are. But anyway, there's some of those cartoon characters that kids like. See, I think there's more than a yard here. That's right much fabric. Then I got 2 yards of Waverly Inspirations 100% cotton duck, 72 inch by 45 inch journal covers, and 2 yards, and this is the same, only a different pattern, journal covers. I love the feel of it. It's like a tapestry. Love the feel of this. And here's just a little piece that I think she just threw in there as Hello Kitty. And then I got a couple of these because boys use these when we're camping. And they're perfect size for them. It doesn't take up space and I can roll them. So it's just these little flannel-like blankets. So yeah, these are perfect for me. This also says fabric tela, whatever that means. I think it's a different language. I don't know. But yeah, I mean, for what I paid for it, I'm very happy with what I got. She does auctions on YouTube, and you know, check her out. I think she has an eBay store. I'm not sure, but I'm gonna put her link down below, so check out her channel. Okay? Thanks for watching. Bye bye.